Xbox Game Pass September lineup, Expeditions, Riders Republic, and more. Xbox Game Pass is adding 2 exciting games to its lineup for its players that are going to be available this month. The games include Expeditions, a Mud Runner game, and Riders Republic. These additions will join other thrilling titles like Age of Mythology Retold and Frostpunk 2, making September a great month for all the gamers. What's coming to the Xbox Game Pass? Expeditions, a Mud Runner game, an off-road driving game would hit the Xbox Game Pass on September 5th. In this game, players will be able to locate beautiful places, upgrade their vehicles, and manage a base camp all on their own. However, on the other hand, Riders Republic is an open-world multiplayer sports game that will be released on September 11th. Through this game, the players would be able to mountain bike, ski, snowboard, or wingsuit sail with a career mode and competitive player options. Here are some confirmed titles for the Xbox Game Pass for September 2024. Star Trucker releasing on September 3rd for console and PC. Age of Mythology Retold releasing on September 4th for console, PC, and cloud. Expeditions, a Mud Runner game, releasing on September 5th for console and PC. Riders Republic, releasing on September 11th for console and PC. Train Sim World 5, releasing on September 17th for console, PC, and cloud. Frostpunk 2, releasing on September 20th for PC. Ara History Untold, releasing on September 24th for PC. The current state of Xbox Game Pass has 3 tiers for gamers, depending on what a gamer may want. It has an Ultimate membership that includes access to a large library of games, while the core tier grants gamers the more affordable option, albeit with limited selection. A 4th tier is on the way to give gamers even more options. What else is coming? Age of Mythology Retold will be arriving on September 4th, mixing city building and real-time strategy, while Frostpunk 2 hits on September 20th to bring a breathtaking adventure into the post-apocalyptic world. Both these games make Xbox Game Pass a great bargain for gamers who love a variety of exciting options.